Hello friends, together, let's draw and color Peppa Pig playing on the swing. Let's get started. Peppa Pig loves to play outside, especially on the swing. She giggles as she swings back and forth, feeling the wind on her face. Peppa swings higher and higher, having so much fun. But one day, she gets stuck in the tire and can't get out. She calls for help, and her friends and family come to the rescue. They all work together to gently pull Peppa out of the tire. Peppa is a little embarrassed, but she laughs and thanks everyone for helping her. Peppa loves to swing high. Do you like playing on the swing too? Peppa got stuck in a tire swing. Have you ever tried a tire swing? And now, let's add color to this drawing. First up, a light shade of pink. Then, pink. Next, we have a darker pink. A light shade of red. We have black. Then, a light shade of gray. Next is gray. An orange color. Lastly, blue. Terrific! Peppa Pig looks a little embarrassed, but then she laughed. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.